Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. Webull's paper trading contest is back. That is, if you didn't know or if you haven't been on Webull for a while, they have gone through multiple rounds already with more people getting involved. This is great for beginners who are looking to gain some experience in the stock market without any risk. The rules and terms are still the same as before. I did a quick Webull paper trading competition walkthrough a while back. You can check that out if you like. Or you can just hop onto the app and just read it from there, whatever works for you. But the gist of it is this. You would need to have a funded Webull brokerage account to participate. You aren't actually paying for this. Instead, you'll gain some free stocks and free money if you don't lose your virtual play money. You can use the link down below and sign up and deposit $100 to get started. Remember that this is just to fund your account to get access to the paper trading platform. And again, it's not using your actual money. Later on, you can just take it all out and just sell it, liquidate, whatever you want to do with it. You'll get your 2 free stocks that could be valued up to $1,850. And of course, you don't have to buy or trade stocks. Just let your account sit there so you can practice paper trading until you get comfortable trading your real money. And this is also good to see how people are doing on the leaderboard. And during this contest, if you don't lose your virtual play money, you'll get paid via Amazon gift cards. And again, no risk to you whatsoever, and you can have fun playing and implementing your own strategy at the same time. Amazing, right? Now, Webull is smart. Even though they're giving money or gift cards to people, they are doing so in a limited way, but still keeping its user on their platform. If you look closely at the prize money and how it's calculated, it's the total account when each round of the competition ends minus your initial balance. Then multiply it by 0.1%. I ran some numbers, so basically, in order to get the maximum prize of $100 in Amazon gift card, your total account has to be at least $110,000. And if you're just starting out at $10,000, that's at least a 1,000% gain within a week to get that, because each round is just a week long, or in this case, 5 trading day. And the likelihood of someone getting a 1,000% return within a week is really hard. And currently, this is the second trading day already, and the top user hasn't even surpassed 100% return. But don't worry, remember that you're just here to have some fun and learn at the same time. Worst case scenario, you end up making a couple cents, hopefully enough to buy a midway nylon wall plate from Amazon. So with that being said, let's jump onto my Webull account and try to win myself that midway nylon wall plate. Also, since this is just a fun contest with virtual play money, you can totally try out different ways to see if you can make money. Like, you can just go on finviz.com and buy the top gainers or signals of the stocks that reaches new highs and see what they'll do in a week. Hopefully you have a better strategy than this, but for the sake of this video, I'll do it just so you can see what it's like. Hopefully I'll make it big at the end of this round, but who knows. But first things first, you're gonna have to click on the menu option on the bottom right, and then click on paper trading right there. And then once you do, you're gonna have to click on the contest if you wanna enter the contest. So click on that, and then, so right now it's the 28th round, and there's about 9,000 people competing or playing this. So if you scroll down, there's, people again. The top one is 13% right now making. And then there's just a little general overview of the paper trading platform. But then you hit sign up now and then say that you're ready. And now you're in. But this is obviously my second time coming around playing this already. But the first time when you're signing up, you're going to have a long list of stuff, like rules that you have to go over. So, but it's fairly easy to sign up. So we're going to start paper trading. I went ahead and looked around a couple of the stocks that I wanted to do on FinViz. I basically just looked at trend lines. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do quick trade and then type in the ticker that I want to buy. So it's going to be HVT. So I don't even know any of these company. Again, I'm just doing really basic research on these, which you probably shouldn't do if you're going to do your practice round. Do it as you're buying a stock for reals. So again, go ahead and paper trade this. So I'm going to buy around 77 shares of this, so that's about like 3,000. Again, you can't buy over 30% in your portfolio. So this is just the rules that they have. So I'm going to do a market. What the heck? So it executes quickly. So place order has been sent out. I think it should be filled in no time. Not even sure if it's gonna fill, but hopefully it's gonna fill. I'm gonna back this out and then go ahead and do another trade on this. The next one I'm gonna do is SBUX. So I know this one is Starbucks. It was trending upwards. See right now, you can see it on the weekly chart. I'm gonna paper trade this. and then go ahead and buy 26 of that, so around 3,000, below 3,000. So I'm gonna hit a market order instead. Time and day is gonna be 4, so I'm gonna just buy that. Orders have been sent out, and then I'm gonna go back again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one. This is gonna be CRL. I don't know all of these companies. I'm just looking at trend lines. If it's trending up, I'm gonna just buy, because I'm hopefully capturing the waves here. And then the quantity is gonna be around 9, since it's right there. It's 2,000. It's a little below 3,000. So go ahead and place a market, place order. All right, and then go back it out again. And then I should have a total of, refresh. So my buying power is currently around like 1,000 here. So I bought, let's see, my position order. So CRL hasn't been filled up yet, but my position right now currently has these 2 stocks. So currently buying power is 1,300. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and actually just filled up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy another one just for the heck of it, just to use all my $10,000. So I'm gonna do a quick trade. And then the one that one is looking at is PAYX. Again, I don't know anything about these companies. You should always do your research first before buying. I'm just doing this for demonstration again. Go and paper trade this one. And then quantity, I'm going to do hit 11 and see. Actually, I'm going to go 13 right over here, and then do market order on this one, and then place order. It's as simple as this, understanding how to just, run through this platform and get a feel for it, and then back it out. And then I'm going to back this out, and then close this. All right, and this is actually my entire account. So now my buying power is at $110. So this is all I have left to buy other shares if I like. So market value is currently what my portfolio is. So right now I'm up $1, actually $1.70 if you're looking at this. So if you look at your orders, none of the orders are, or actually all of them are there. If you click on the order status, you'll see the working, fully filled, canceled, and failed. So all of them are just here. All of them been executed, and you can just scroll down and see what they have to offer and what it's saying. So then I'm gonna back this out, and then performance. Obviously, you can see which ones giving you are making you money and which ones are making you money. Again, in order for you to make money or lose money, you're gonna have to be selling it or buying something. So once you sell a stock, you'll realize your gains or loss. But if you just hold on to it, it's not gonna matter. At the end of the day, when the contest is over, they'll just exit all your position and see how much you actually make. So your total account value will be subtracted from your initial account, so which is $10,000. So if you make $10,100 at the end of this week, it'll just be taken out minus 10,000, so you'll be gaining $100. So that's how they calculate how much you gain overall. So within a week, most people aren't making 100% return. I'm almost positive that people aren't doing this on a regular basis, because it's impossible to do this every week. So that's why they have this setup where you're gonna get a little bit off of these Amazon gift cards if you make money. So try to aim to make a positive return at the end of the week. So that's your main goal. So there you have it. Hope this Webull paper trading contest can help all beginners feel more comfortable to start actually trading. Again, I can't stress this enough. There's no risk for you to get started, and it's the experience that you gain from it that is valuable if you want to get started in stock investing. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you just want to share your rankings, just comment down below. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads. I'll catch y'all later.